Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's very important for setting the tone for the rest of your day, your morning routine. In this video, I'm going to give you tips on how to create a morning routine that sets you up for a productive day. The first step to creating a productive morning routine is to wake up early. Waking up early gives you more time in the morning to focus on yourself and your goals for the day. Try to wake up at least 30 minutes earlier than you usually do and use that extra time to do something that you enjoy or something that is important to you. Stretching or exercising in the morning can help get your blood flowing and wake you up. This can be as simple as doing some light stretches or taking a brisk walk around the block. Doing something active in the morning can help you feel energized and ready to tackle the day ahead. Drinking water in the morning is crucial to starting your day off right. After a long night's sleep, your body is dehydrated, so it's important to drink water to rehydrate your body. This can help boost your energy levels and improve your mental clarity. Take a few minutes to plan out your day. Make a to-do list of the tasks you need to complete, and prioritize them in order of importance. This can help you stay on track throughout the day and ensure that you're using your time efficiently. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Eating a healthy breakfast can give you the energy you need to power through your morning and set you up for a productive day. Opt for foods that are high in protein and complex carbohydrates to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. Creating a productive morning routine takes some effort, but the benefits are well worth it. By waking up early, stretching or exercising, hydrating, planning your day, and having a healthy breakfast, you can set yourself up for success and make the most out of your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.